Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This is Blender 5.1's how to make the sky panorama, how to make the skylights, and also the image-based lighting from the skylights. Start from now, I'm going to show you all the step-by-step in this tutorial. Let's go! Hey guys, my name is Freedom. How to make sky in Blender 3D animation software. So start from now, I'm going to show you all the step-by-step. To get a sky, first you need the HDRI map. Then you can just go to your web browser to browse the HDRI heaven. Then click into that link, the polyheavens at here. So you may just want to have some skies in that way. So just choose the sky that you want. For example, if I want to have this sky, so I right click and open in a new tab here. Then click the download. Click the trigger line here. Just download the 8K tone map. It's just simple. Now, this is an equirectangular map. Just right click to save the image as. And as there are more, I will save it on my desktop. Save. And then next, in the Blender, you have to turn on here. This is the render viewport shading. And then move your mouse cursor to here, drag it. From here, choose the shader editor. Then here, from the object, you choose the world. Then scroll up, drag the color, type environment texture. Then choose the one. Then here, just open from the desktop, just open the 8K tone map. Just double click to open. Now you can see you already added a sky for Blender 5.1. And you can just perform any of your 3D animation at here. You already have a sky background. You can choose any of the sky background that you want from the polyheavens. It is really easy. You can choose something like this. It can be anything. So here I download another 8K tone map and have a look. We just want to have a sky panorama. Just right click, save the image on the desktop. And here you can choose it anytime. You can change it anytime from the Blender. Now you can see this is another sky. It is really very easy to make a sky just by importing the polyheaven HDRI 8K tone map, and it is really easy. It's nothing difficult. And that's all for today about my tutorials on how to make a sky for your Blender. It also included the image-based lighting and also the skylights. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials, and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you will receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you!